Okay ladies category, final hit. So dito pa rin tayo sa Botolan, Zambales. So mga tatakbo dyan, Pia Gabriel, Shana Tamayo, Mia Villalon, Darlene Tizon, Esay Pineda. So wala pa si Jasmine Howe. And then sino pa yung isa. So ladies category, final hit, round 2 of Weltic. So green flag is up.
Watch out as we witness the final hit today.
5 seconds. Ayan na. Binitawan na. Hole shot by. Wow. Hole shot, hole shot. It's Mia Gabriel. Followed by Shana Tamayo. Mia Villalon. Ayan. Wow! Ang makanay, Pia Gabriel versus Shana Tamayo. Yan, inside Pia, outside Shana. Up. Yan, inside. Inside Pia. Inside Shana. Oy, oy! Tumimplang, Shana Tamayo. Yan, habol Shana. Yan. So change second position, it's Mia Villalon, followed by Darlene Tizon. And on fourth it's Shana Tamayo. On fifth it's Esay Pineda. Yan, this is ladies category final. Ayan. Nangunguna sa lahat, Pia Gabriel. Hop. Ayan. Pia Gabriel leading. Ayan. Mia Villalon on second. Ayan, Shana Tamayo nasa pangatlong pwesto na. Darlene Tizon on fourth. Yun. Makuha niya ulit si Villalon. Triple double. Yan. Pia Gabriel, ayan na. Ayan, sika na naman Shana Tamayo. But Pia Gabriel. Lumalayo na Pia Gabriel. Ito na si Shana. Yun. Hop, hop, hindi ka na doon. Ayan, Mia Villalon and then Darlene Tizon. Whoop, boy. Error by Shana Tamayo. Oy, nakuha ni Darlene Tizon si Mia Villalon. Third na. Darlene Tizon on fifth, it's Esay Pineda. And Pia Gabriel leading all the way. Second is from Fujisan, Shana Tamayo. Ayun o. Third, Darlene Tizon. And then Mia Villalon on fourth. Agay. Oy, tulungan nyo. Naipit. Ayan. Last lap, last lap. White flag na po tayo. White flag, white flag. Yan, oy. Yan. Pia Gabriel leading all the way. Oy, oy. Okay. Sumimplang doon. Shana Tamayo on second. Wow. Yan. Makahabol kaya si Shana dito kay Pia Gabriel. Yan. Yan, Darlene Dixon on third. Mia Villalon on fourth. Yan. Lap, 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 lap. Pia Gabriel. Shana Tamayo, andyan na. Waiting for checkered flag, last corner.
Coming on the last jumps and the last corner.
Last corner, Pia Gabriel. Champion, Pia. Second, Shana. Ayun. Second, Shana. So third, I think it's ayan. Oy, nakuha si Darlene Dixon ni Mia Villalon. Ayan, Mia Villalon na rin ang third. Nakuha si Darlene Dixon. Ayun, checkered flag, checkered flag.
Then we have here for the ladies category, third place.
Checkered, checkered.
From Baguio City, bike number 22, Mia
Yan.
Villalon.
Checkered
And
flag.
bike 420.
And on fifth, it's Esai Pineda. So thank you for watching, guys. Please share this video. So thank you, thank you.